हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज संडे है, सो लेट मी टेक यू टू द ओल्ड स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ म्यूनिक. लेट्स एक्सप्लोर द ओल्ड कल्चर ऑफ म्यूनिक and let me take you first to the heart of Munich, that's Marienplatz, and then I'll be telling you about some interesting facts about Munich. So now we have reached Marienplatz station, and if you look at the color, see how vibrant it looks. And I really find it so awesome for photography. And here I am. So this is the Marienplatz platform, and our train has arrived. We'll start our journey from here to Karlsplatz station, and we'll be starting from there. And we are going above, and just cross your fingers. The station is so awesome. Look at the lights. Welcome to the real Munich. This is Karlsplatz Stacus, popularly known as Stacus. You can see beautiful fountains surrounded by historically marvelous buildings. During winter, the atmosphere changes completely and Stacus turns into ice skating ring for several weeks around the Christmas. You can hold a warm cup of Glühwein and enjoy ice skating of kids and people around here. So, guys, as you can see, now we are heading towards the most historic Gothic gate. This is popularly known as Karlster among people of Munich. Just take a moment and look at the architecture of this historic piece. Now we are heading towards the pedestrian. And if you love shopping like me, you can find almost all brands at this place. These three musician statues were originally part of the fish fountain which I showed you in the previous video. And during the World War, during 1944, almost all the statues and historic monuments were destroyed. So these three musicians were separated from the fountain and they were brought here and placed here. Now we are heading from Karlsplatz Takus to Marienplatz, and this is the heart of Munich, and it's a super exciting place. And if you are coming to visit Munich, then please don't forget to visit this place, because your journey cannot start without visiting this place, and it is incomplete without visiting this place. So please do visit this place. I'm sure you all have heard about the concept of window shopping. I exactly got to know about it when I came to Europe. It's just that you don't enter the shop, you just have a glance at these awesome beauties from outside, from the window, and if you don't have penny to buy them, why can't we just see at them? It doesn't cost us any penny, right? So it's just see how beautiful these jewelries are looking. Like, I'm getting amazed through all this. So I noticed something which I wanted to show you while traveling, and this is a very traditional, very important costume of Bavaria. If you know about Oktoberfest, then you might surely have seen these costumes. We might have seen ladies and gents wearing these costumes. So these are the ones, and I just love it. Maybe I'll be buying it next year, because this year there is no Oktoberfest because of Corona. And this is for children's. So here comes my favorite dress, and as you can see, there are different price of different items. The one is for 100 euros, one is for the petticoat is for 40 euros, one is for 30 euros, one is for 50 euros. Just sum up if you have a good maths. So this corner is for ladies. DM. If you have been to Europe anytime, you should be surely knowing what DM is. So let me show you some amazing thing. Do you have any worries? Then come. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. And it's not over, there is one more. Wanna have a ride? So we have reached the town hall of Munich, and I will be showing you the most important and the 16th century building, and Munich is like incomplete without this monument. Just come.